Hello, welcome back. It's Miss Hake, and we are studying the letter J and the j sound it makes. We just have to do our info sheet first because we are almost finished our alphabet, and we need the letter J in there. J is very important. So after listening to the video, have you thought of some beautiful words that start with J? I found jello, jam, juggle, and jelly bean. So now all I have to do is make some pictures. So when we juggle, I know that we need 2 or more. So 3 balls are in the air there. Have you ever tried to juggle? That might be something that you want to do. Jello is all wiggly and jiggly. So I'm going to make a square. I'm going to make some wiggly and jiggly signs around it. Jam. Now we're talking a lot about jam lately. I'm going to draw a piece of bread or toast, probably toast. I like toast. And on my toast, I'm going to put jam. I wonder what kind of jam. I'm going to go with blueberry jam today. I like jam. And then jelly beans. I like pink jelly beans. They remind me of cotton candy. Yeah. Can you think of some words that have the j sound and keep adding and keep going? So that's one activity to do today. And then another activity is we are going to go through our words that we need to add to our word families that start with j. J, ab. We have an ab word family, so we need to add j, ab, jab. Yeah. And now to our ack word family, j, ack, jack. Hey, does anybody know anybody named Jack? There's also a car jack that we could use to jack up the car when a tire is flat. What about the OB, ob word family? J, ob, job. Do you have a job? Do you have any chores to do at home? J, ug. This is the ug word family, the ending ug. J, ug, jug. Yeah. Anybody have a big jug of jam in their fridge? What's this word? This is the am word family. J, am, jam. Beautiful. And then the OG, og, is the ending. Add a j to og. Jog. You got it. Ig. We've had this ending before. J, ig. Jig. Dancing a jig. There was a pig dancing a jig. That's so funny. Okay, this story is all about jam, and it's called Jamberry. And after the story, I want you to make a picture of your favorite kind of jam. Is it apricot? Is it peach? Is it strawberry? You can go back to the list that we made yesterday about all the different types of jam and figure out which one is your favorite. If it permits where you are, it's a really great thing to do is taste test different jams too with your little learner. So getting some saltines, little crackers, and putting different flavors of jam, and maybe they can say which one they like best to which one they like least and why. So many things we can do with that. But for now, we'll read the story, we'll listen to the story together, and then you can draw a picture about which jam flavor would be your favorite. And if you were to invent a jam, would you put a couple berries together? I think peach raspberry would be delicious. What do you think? All right, have a good day, and I'll see you soon.